Hey there, Megan. It's the last thing that folks around here want to hear, especially after so many days in the dark just last week. Now, wind gusts tomorrow expected to be between 30 and 40 miles per hour in this area. This won't be a repeat of last week's storm by any means. You can see there's some video of the damage from last week, but scattered power outages can't be ruled out, as Roger was saying. Of course, anyone left in the dark a second time around will certainly be feeling the sting. With that in mind, Central Maine Power says it's preparing in advance for the possibility of more downed trees and wires.
We are putting extra people on duty, extra line workers, extra troubleshooters. We've also lined up contract crews who are ready to roll for us if we need them. And everybody will be ready to go if we have any problems.
CMP reported a peak of around 400,000 customers without power following last week's storm. Again, not expecting numbers like that here tomorrow, but some outages are certainly possible. Live in Harpswell tonight, Tyler Cataret, WMTW News 8.
And as the